welcome back to VRChat Court. It is I, your one true god, Super Saiyan Rose Goku Black, being sued by the pathetic cactathot muffin hoe himself.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
Don't step out of line there, bud.
Right. Shouldn't you announce him? Because seeing him hide behind that pillar is kind of awkward because it's so huge.
Yeah. All rise for the Honorable Judge Broly.
Honorable. This guy.
Just getting paid by the word.
Okay.
All may be seated now.
Ah, damn, that judge is hella thick.
Yeah. You know it. Anyway.
Now
We
he's
still
officially
have
a
some
hero.
renovation on that. A little bit of renovation next week. Gotcha.
Doesn't matter. What are we here for?
Yes. Aren't you gonna state your case or whatever? Come on!
Yeah.
That's my lawyer's job apparently.
Basically, Goku suing Goku Black for stealing his body. There you go.
He stole
Hey.
his body. That's what he's doing.
There you
for.
go.
He stole it.
Oh my god. And anyway,
Well, I mean-
I will be representing myself.
This is going to be a
because
long
who else better to
case.
do so?
Well, you're gonna have a pretty hard case, because, I mean,
You got
I mean, it's
two
just
people
kind
in
of-
the issue.
it's just kind of an obvious one.
Yeah.
But whatever.
Not as
I'll entertain
obvious
your
as you
stupid
might
bullshit.
think, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
Ahem. Okay, well, I guess I can't say ladies and gentlemen of the court because there's no real... Okay, Your Honor,
What?
to this muffin hoe, slutty, slooty, cacatoth.
Keep it in line, Rose,
Name call.
or I'll replace my gavel.
Trust me, you don't know what happened in the last one.
Order!
Alright, your judge.
Oh god.
That Kakarot you were just wielding as a hammer is from an alternate timeline, correct?
Yes.
Well, this Goku cannot sue me for stealing his body because he is not the Goku I stole his body from. That was from an alternate timeline. That is my opening statement, Your Honor.
Shut up.
Rather sure you don't have any witnesses or anything to call.
Wait, isn't he supposed to make his opening statement and then we call out witnesses?
No.
Oh. In that case,
Why do you think this is a regular goddamn courtroom?
okay, I call... You know what? Super Saiyan 4 Goku to the stand.
Alright.
Ooh.
Alright.
All right.
Kakarot's.
Yeah, hold on. Let me just count it. There's 1, 2,
Really?
3, 4. What's the one
Anyways,
fully ass? That makes 5.
Yeah, I'm actually surprised you're not getting all
Excuse
triggered
you.
by seeing all these Kakarots, but... Then again, you look to be like the Super Broly, so anyway. Hello there, Super Saiyan 4 Goku. How are you doing today?
Oh, I'm doing fine.
Right, now, you're from an alternate timeline, right? No Super Saiyan gods and all that.
Absolutely.
Now, you can confer that that
Hey,
over
Dragon
there is
Slayer
another
credit for the
Goku,
voice.
correct?
I guess
And
so,
this
yeah.
is the body... And this is the body of another Goku, correct?
Yes.
So how can I have stolen his body when I'm right here and he's over there? Clearly, this belongs to another Goku from an alternate timeline, so therefore he has no legal basis to sue me.
Well, if he's standing right there, I guess so.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Hmm. Well, Kakarot, you are opening Saban cross-examination.
Oh, there you go. Go ahead and get him, Tiger.
Dear Lord.
God damn it.
The opening
this is what I
statement.
should
What a
have
shit show.
I will do it. I will be doing it.
An
Hello,
incompetent
Otomi.
lawyer,
My-
Jesus.
Yeah, I don't know where to go from.
Now,
Silence!
you're more than familiar with time manipulation, right? You're more familiar that is.
What are you talking about? I'm a retard. I don't know what time is.
You're right.
Well then.
Anyway.
Court fully
It seems to me,
agrees.
Your Honor, that we have a bit of a discretion here because neglected to say that this snooty suit over here, neglected to say that he manipulated time to go back into a different alternate timeline, and not only kill me, take my body and killed my wife and son. The
Objection!
reason why I could not come back and defend myself is because he already killed me. So now I am here seeking justice for that Goku. Not only did he kill my wife and my child, he killed me, took my body, which is why this version of me is here today, to seek justice. And that's all I'm here to do, Your Honor. Seek justice. Thank you.
Okay, I can agree with that.
I can agree.
Interesting.
Same.
You may step down. Get your non-canon ass out of my courtroom.
Damn.
Hey, that's
What's non-canon?
Now.
Nothing from you, Your Honor, I'm just saying.
He's canon though.
You
What
want
is
to
canon?
Rosé, you want to die.
Slooty mouth.
I didn't say nothing, Your Honor.
You don't want to become the new gavel, trust me. That's not a good idea for you, man.
Yes.
Would you like a Snickers, Your Honor?
He's trying to bribe him.
Don't let him. That's bribery.
We have a vending machine in here.
Rosé, you have a death wish.
Here.
Yeah, I think.
I'm not having another outburst like that in my courtroom. Or you'll pay.
Nothing's decided
just
until it's
just take the Snickers.
Oh my god.
No, he's trying to bribe him.
Anyway, Cackathought, your witness.
It's manhoe, sir, but I will. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, I'd like to call my lovely wife, Chi-Chi, to land.
All right then.
Good luck,
Ooh,
Chichi.
Turn southern.
I'll need it.
Oh yeah, what was that?
Well,
Do
he's
not
not
let
a
him
country
come
bumpkin,
off
so
of an
it's
I
not
think he's
easy.
trying to impress her. Doesn't matter.
Gotcha.
Cackathought, get your attention away from the sloot and back to the matter at hand.
Hey, Kakarot, your witness.
Yeah, yes, this is,
Keep him in order, Bardock, or we'll have
I'll try my
problems.
best. Yeah.
Your name, darling?
Chi-Chi, your wife.
Yes, of course, my love. And are you say you're more than familiar with this, derelict over there?
More than I'd like to be.
As a dog. Now, hon, since you are a alternate version of the Chi-Chi that was killed, could you say, what this, derelict did with you?
Let's just say he snuck into your body, fooled me into thinking he was you, and had his way with me in the forest at your house. Or at our house, I should say.
If anything, she had a way with me, Your Honor.
Is this sexual assault?
I thought you were Goku!
So wait, we switching cases up right now?
I'm not here to
Well, damn.
I
mean, I have proof that he did it.
Silence in the stands,
Oh,
or we'll blow
no.
all of your asses up.
Oh no, we don't need to.
We don't
replace
need
those
that.
again.
Please,
Continue.
Everybody just go to their seats. Like, finish my, president. Now, I'm not trying to add sexual assault to the cause, but we cannot deny the fact that not only did he kill my body, he used it for derelict purposes to infiltrate where I live, trick my darling, beautiful wife here to commit intercourse with her. I cannot say that is an offensive idol and should not go unnoticed. Not only that,
Your Honor, I'd like to make a request. I'd like to make a request that he stops with that stupid accent.
Yeah, I'll have to agree. Cease and desist.
Fine.
Yes,
Long
please.
story short, he took my body, then he went to my house, a place that is sacred. You should know about that. Then he used my body to have a relation with my wife. So not only did he steal it, he used it to commit adultery, forced adultery, on my wife.
Oh dear God, woe is me if there's a little adultery in the world.
I mean, Your Honor.
God damn it.
Goddamn fucking Puritan, sit the fuck down!
Well, damn! All right,
Don't argue with him, dear.
Go.
All right.
Your cross-examination.
Yes. Hello, Chi-Chi. How are you doing?
Hello,
today?
Rosé.
Yes. Now, it's true that this body is in fact Goku's, and I did at one point dress in the orange clothing of his and come to you impersonating him, yes?
You did, and you're admitting that you did.
Yes, but is it also true that you knew from the get-go that I was not really Goku. But
Objection,
you had
legal
been so
witness.
neglected, so poorly treated, that you
Sustained.
accepted me as the substitute Goku.
I did not know it was you. Because you two look alike. How was I supposed to know?
You said it from the very beginning. You're not really Goku, are you? And
I
by
had
the
my
way,
suspicions.
If anything, Your Honor, after the skit is over, you can see I'm the one with my clothes torn. So if anything, she assaulted me quite aggressively, by the way. No offense, you're an absolute beast in bed. It was actually wonderful for me. I hope you enjoyed it.
Oh, get on with this, Rose.
Get on with the shit, Rose.
Knew this was coming.
What
Hold
you
on.
back next, Chile, and that body?
Hey, calm it down over there, Kakarot.
Besides that. Anyways, as I was saying, Your Honor, is it really trickery or adultery when she knew what was happening and she needed it?
Victim blaming.
Kakarot.
Sorry.
If anything, this should be his fault for his neglect of his wife. No further
He
questions,
makes
Your
an
Honor.
interesting point, Kakarot. You're dismissed.
Damn.
I'm the one that she visits later in the evening. Anyway.
That's not true!
Wait, what?
Excuse me!
So that's what that ruckus was in the back of the courtroom.
You're totally excused.
Oh dear.
And I'll see you later.
Ugh.
Anyway.
Oh, cheesy. Waiting on the monkeys, eh?
damn.
Chile left your panties in my house last night. Thank you. Anywho,
Oh, dear
my
Lord.
next witness, my next witness.
Hey, wait, isn't it my turn to call a witness?
Hey,
I'm sorry, do you have a problem with my methodology?
What?
No, Your Honor, it was just a legitimate
Never
question.
mind, I guess. Yeah, Broly would decide.
On with it.
Yeah.
This is history.
It-
This
Objection,
Wow.
Your Honor. Can he make his lawyer a witness?
Technically, you guys described it to me. I was defending myself. So I kind of discard him as my lawyer, and I'm doing my own.
He hasn't
thing.
really said much.
You know what?
I know. That's
I'm
what
interested. I'll
Thank
allow
you.
it.
Thank you.
Oh my.
Now then,
Okay.
Trump, you of all people have first-hand experience of this monster. Do you?
Keep your focus on the task at hand, Kakarot, or you will die.
I will. Yes, sir. You are familiar with the defendant.
I am.
Could you tell me what this defendant did?
He murdered 95% of all life in my timeline.
Really? And could you tell me in what body did he commit these?
Well done, by the way.
And yours.
Thank you. So, Your Honor, not only are we adding adultery and we're adding just flat-out lying, he committed so many atrocities in my body. It's like he stole a car and just took it out for a ride and just destroyed all property. That's what he's doing in my body. He made a plan.
So am I to understand you're basically adding identity theft to the equation?
Well, well, we can add struck property. We can add so many charges to this, Your Honor. It's absolutely insane. Because he committed so many atrocities while in my
Man, this is getting
Don't know how
boring.
ethical that is, but I guess it works.
In a lot of ways, he probably used my body to go into your timeline and manipulated you. You know? Could have made you.
Hey, what?
Knowing you, and just screwed with time a lot, you probably
Hey.
messed with Broly.
If this shows any credence of being true, Sloot, you're finished.
Hold on
Please
now.
don't try and
hold
get
on
worked
now.
up too much.
Hold on.
Last time I got this
Your
worked
Honor,
up, he
may I
came after
cross-examine
me.
the witness?
It's not fun.
That's all.
I know. Just
Hey,
don't want to become
Fine,
invincible.
but you better make it
Okay.
good.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Dang.
Hello, Trunks.
Sit
If
the
that
hell
is
down,
your real
Kakarot.
name.
The judge
That
has
is
to
indeed
dismiss
my
you,
real
you
name.
slut.
Alright, I'm back.
Sit down.
I'm pretty sure that's a dismissal.
Kakarot.
I will finish.
That's a dismissal,
Sit
Kakarot. Come on.
down.
Just
Right,
Chi
that way.
and
All right.
Joseph being witnesses.
As we were, Hello, Trunks, if that is indeed your real name.
That is, again, indeed my real name.
Yes, interesting. You initially went back in time to save Goku from a heart virus, did you not?
I did.
Except, Your Honor, how could this possibly be when the Trunks that saved Goku from a heart virus had purple lavender hair?
Your Honor,
It's called
he's
Rose.
I don't see how this
Ciel Jr., would you step forward, please?
What?
Oh.
Wait, what'd you
Would you
say?
step forward?
Ciel Jr.
Ciel Jr.
Ciel Jr., step forward. Step forward.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Listen, you come from Ciel, you know about, like, DNA and shit, right?
Yeah.
And Trunks is technically a part of you, as is so many others.
Yes.
Look at Trunks. Tell me if that blue hair of his is just dyed or if it's his true hair color.
Let me see. It's died.
Well, I'll be damned. Thank you. You can resume your seat.
I'm a little line went through my teenage phase. Dying hair never looks that cool.
But Your Honor, if I may. If that's the case, though, in Dragon Ball Super, when Trunks conversed with Piccolo and Krillin, he had a flashback of future Gohan, and his hair was blue even in the flashback. So if it is in fact dyed, why was it purple during the Z arc, but blue in the future Gohan arc and in the Super arc?
Because the animators were
It's
bullshit.
because this Trunks is from an alternate timeline. That's all it is, Your Honor. Timeline. Alternative. Like, for
That's a
example,
far
Goku,
reach.
how old are you?
How old are you?
I asked you first.
I asked you second.
Oh, how?
Really, you
Do
two?
not do this. Okay, just
Get
answer the
on
question.
with
I'm
it.
not
You're like
on
what?
the
You
stand,
become
so I
over
don't have to
there.
answer your questions. Why don't you just focus on who you're cross-examining?
Mimi, calm down.
Focus on Trunks.
Okay, fine. Okay. Trunks, how old is
Serious.
Goku?
Like,
Dang, I don't even know
Just
this
say-
dude either.
Just say order.
it's like, he's like 41.
Get on
Your
with
Honor,
it, Rose.
This body is 42. So if I truly stole this Goku's body, how can that
Done
be?
with this shit.
Again, because I stole a different Goku's body from a different timeline. Because I went forward with this time ring. Oh, incidentally, time rings cannot go back in time unless an anomaly occurs, such as Trunks' time machine. Otherwise, it can only go forward in time, so I cannot travel back in time. And another thing. Trunks, you or another version of you dealt with an alternative version of Broly, did you not?
I cannot confirm or deny the actions of another me.
You see, when you get down to it, this is actually all Trunks' fault,
All right,
because he had to go back in time and cause all kinds of
how can
butterfly
Tommy-
effects. For example, there's the you that's evil and sadistic, but now there's another you that's kind and sweet and has a relationship with a green girl. But,
I would watch
I mean,
the words there, buddy.
and then there's Bardock.
Take it back. Take it back.
You might not want to anger him.
You're the best
Or
version
you
of
gotta
Broly.
face the
I'm saying because
consequences.
of Trunks, he created an alternate version of you. But you're the best one, but for sure. And look at Bardock. He himself has another alternate version of himself now. There's the badass with the red bandana, but then there's
I
this
love that
softy who
one.
sent his son off all Superman style.
Same.
I
Again,
can't see the future, but I can see you
Your
losing
Honor,
this
it's
case.
because
No.
Trunks
Ta-
felt the need to create so many freaking alternate timelines with continuity
I
errors
kinda
and
like
retcons.
the one with the
So
red
really,
bandana.
am I
That was
even
awesome.
the real Goku Black, or am I an alternate timeline Goku Black? I
Wait
mean,
a
is he
second.
even the real Goku?
You're
Wait a
right.
minute. Hold the phone. Did
Holding the phone,
I
Your Honor.
just hear you publicly say
Ow.
that you're not the real Goku Black? Put it on the record.
Oh,
Put it on the record, Bardock.
busted.
Again, Your Honor.
I know.
Fiction anymore, Your Honor.
Put it on the record.
Busted.
I got it.
Make sure it's in bold italics.
I am not. the
You
real
screwed
Goku
yourself,
Black.
Rose.
Anyway,
If I- Anyways, my point being, Your Honor, what is canon and what is not canon anymore? Bro, you used to not be canon, but now you are. He used to be a badass and stuff, but now he's a
Don't
soft
bring
old
up my
father.
tainted past.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Rose, you're digging yourself a grave.
Yeah,
Can't
thanks.
we even
So
think
to
this
say,
is
Your
the
Honor,
real
as another Goku?
After all.
I
Since when
will
is the
blast you into the fucking ground.
Oh no, not another hole.
As I was saying, Your Honor, is this even the real Goku? Since when is the real Goku smart enough to represent himself in a court of law?
Since when are you?
Oh,
My point being, Your Honor, the timelines are completely messed up,
Bitch,
and
bitch,
everything's
calm
written
down back
on,
there.
and it's all Trunks' fault.
I, the real
No
Goku.
further questions, Your Honor.
You may step down.
That you're
I
dismissed.
said
Trunks.
step down.
Trunks, go back to your spot or just
Uh,
replace you.
Future boy, you can
Goku,
step
do you need a
down.
new lawyer?
Rather go that way or
No,
that way.
I
Whatever
got
way.
this.
I got you. Okay.
If I may.
Well, this has been
not
interesting.
If I may.
Closing statements. We'll start with you.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, you have heard so much, but nothing was gonna prepare me for what this guy just stated in his last state. So let's just get his last points correct. This man stated that Trunks messed with the timeline, so try to pass off his blame to someone else. Try to guess my age, which is not 41. It is indeed fact 42. You. So that would also confirm that he truly is me, stealing my body, manipulating time, possibly manipulating events that led to everything happening to you, myself, and everything else because he was also going to kill all the gods in the
Now I know why you
want
wanna
to
sue.
Quiet in the stands.
Anywho,
Right back there.
we cannot trust what this man says. He even says, you all heard this, even the judge heard this, that he himself might not be the real Rose.
Do you want that in writing?
Thank you. Well,
Right here.
actually, thank you. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks. So now,
Okay,
how
I
can
have
we take
finished.
his word for anything? We can't, because he himself can't even get his own facts straight. People, if we allow this man to win, we're allowing him to say anything he wants. He can say that you guys are not real. He can say that the judge isn't real.
How
or
dare
he's
you.
not real, or I'm not real. We're just allowing him to say anything.
How dare
when
you.
He is a liar. I have been nothing but honest and truthful, and that's all I ask of you all. Thank you.
All right,
Hmm.
now, if I may
Interesting.
make my closing statement. Also, well done to you. Very nice.
Thank you. Thank
Your
you.
Honor, I could not have possibly manipulated events that happened to you or to anyone else, because that would require me going back in time, which I am incapable of doing.
You
My
have the
time
Dragon
ring only
Balls.
enables me to go
Silence.
forward in time.
Kakarot.
Better
Oh,
keep your
these
son in
court
line,
cases are
Bardock, or
great.
you won't have a son.
Oh shit. I used the
That's
time
true.
ring to go forward a year in time to get the Super Dragon Balls and swap bodies with Goku. So it's not even really stealing when we made an exchange. You know, he got my divine elegant green body, and I got his primitive, smelly, but admittedly pretty strong body. But regardless, Your Honor, this is only but one of many timelines, all because of Trunks!
Well,
there
say,
he is.
I'm not
All
Trunks,
because
buddy.
of Trunks! Because Trunks
I'm not
the
Trunks.
atrocious
Do I
crime
look
of
like
going
Trunks?
backwards in time, which is huge
I have to
taboo.
say.
And by doing so, created a multitude
Back
of
here.
timelines. I mean, just look at Dragon Ball Xenoverse, Your Honor. How many timelines are they dealing with than that? And look at this Bardock. This isn't the Bardock we all know from our childhoods. The Bardock we know wears a red bandana and doesn't give two shits about his son. This Bardock
Here,
cares
here,
about his son
thank
and
you.
saved him
Exactly.
from Frieza by sending him off all Superman style. I mean, and
He's got a
we
point.
all know about your alternative
Shut up
timeline,
back
but-
there.
He does got a point.
Shush.
And there's your
Hey,
alternative
quiet
timeline,
back
but we
there.
will not go into detail, Your Honor.
Make
And
us.
again, to prove that this might not even be the original Trunks, he doesn't even have the correct haircut.
Your Honor, may I make it?
I will erase you from existence.
Your Honor, may I make a little statement?
I'm sorry.
Guess we have a replacement gavel now.
I'll shut up.
Your
If I have to come over here again, there will be nothing left of you but a shadow in the seats
You
that
did a
once
good job,
stood
Kakarot.
there.
I
Do we
wonder.
understand each other?
Yes, sir. Yes, we understand one another.
Your Honor,
yes.
may I make a statement,
Better.
please? Your Honor, may I
My
make a statement?
Judge Judy was a man.
Dang it!
No.
Continue, please.
Like it. Oh, yes. As I was saying, Your Honor. This might not even be the actual Trunks, due to his wrong hair color, sir. Alternate timelines. And this! Since when is Goku, Kakarot, infamous for his stupidity, smart enough to represent himself in a court of law, Your Honor? Is this even the real Goku?
Objection, Your Honor. He does not need to name call. He did get killed, and was stupid enough to get killed by a guy he's accusing of having different hair color.
It's true. Anyway, moving on.
But yes, I ask of you, Your Honor, how can this version of Goku possibly sue me for body theft when we might not even be in the same timelines, like, even close to each other? Because there's this timeline, this timeline, this timeline, and plus, I have no affinity for muffins. Everyone knows cupcakes are better, Your Honor. That's just a fact.
How dare you!
Best, especially blueberry.
So, Your Honor, I do ask, with all these alternate timelines, how can I be held guilty for stealing this
You will be the
Goku's body?
first to die. So help me, Kami.
Over the last time.
You know what? No further questions, Your Honor. That's all for my statement. It's like Judge Judy, but even scarier.
Interesting. Well, you both make very
You
interesting
have no
cases. Now, Chi-Chi,
Yes.
Caulifla, and whatever the fuck you are, get your asses up here.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
I'd listen to him.
Actually, yeah, I did. Never mind.
Okay,
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
First of all, you.
Yes.
Thoughts. Make it brief.
I really think he's guilty. Rose is, I should say.
Why?
Because he did steal Goku's body, after all. Timeline or not.
Oh crap, my brother's
Interesting point. Thank you. Now sit the fuck down.
Rude.
You.
I think he's guilty, and may I add something, Your Honor? This man said that Trunks, that's a different Trunks from different timeline. But he counteracted himself by saying earlier, by implying he did the actions of saving Goku's life. How does that work, Your
Interesting.
Honor? So
We'll take it into
am
consideration.
guilty.
Go back to
Now
the
get off my floor. You.
I say he's guilty of charge and put him in the slammer.
Noted.
Objection, she's sleeping with Goku, she has a bias.
Yeah, she's also sleeping with me. What do you think I care? Anyway.
Damn.
And you. What's your take on all this?
Me? I say he's guilty. Cause why not?
Indifference.
I think
I
that's
like
the best
it.
reason of
Thank
the
you.
night.
You may sit down.
I'm just here for the free food. I'm just here for the free food.
It's not free.
So that's where all the food went. So that's
Well,
all
taking everything into consideration, it seems you're both screwed. I sentence you to 10 years community service with puppies
Damn.
and kittens and small children. And you will like it. And you just go fucking train or some shit.
Yes, sir.
Hey. Yay! Goku won the case!
That's
Yeah.
I did it.
Hey, Kakarot.
What?
You
You wanna go for some rounds after the...
Oh, hell yeah.
You better not. And you, and you, I'll see you in my quarters after the case day is over.
Ooh.
For what exactly? Yeah, that's not happening.
Hey, Ciel.
Yeah.
See?
You better listen to him.
winning?
Come here, Gigi.
Not before Goku takes me.
This has been Rose, Goku Black, and VRChat.
Hey, just for you winning, you can come over. Your mom made some dinner. You can invite your wife over.
I made muffins.
Yeah, I just wanted to ask you two about something. I just saw a video online of you, of mom, having you talk to my wife.
Is he still
and
going
then
to
Brehm-
like divorce?
Wait, what?
No.
Nani?
About that.
Oh yeah.
How about we find out next time?
On Dragon
Are we
Ball
still doing that
Court.
divorce
Dragon
court?
Ball
Because I swear to
Court.
God.
There you go. Okay.
How about Dragon Ball Z for court?
Hey, wait, no. I mean, that could work.
That's an actual comic.
Wait, what?
By the way, guys, sorry I forgot a little intense, so just playing the character. I'm so sorry I got in your
Because I haven't even seen that. You might want to turn your mic up there. I can't hear you.
Abomination right now. I don't even know what the fuck I am. I'm just a drink. I'm just a drink promotion. If I could fist bump you, I would.
That was fun.
Oh,
That was
yeah,
fun.
That was fun.
Yeah, you should definitely.
That was fun.
You threatened me.
Don't tempt me with a good time, Mimi.
Anyways, this has been Judge Broly. We'll probably do more of these in the future. Like, comment, subscribe. Y'all know what to do. And we'll see you in the next video. Later, everybody. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more of my content, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel by clicking on my lovely divine face in the middle of the screen. Also, be sure to turn on that notification bell so you never miss any of my uploads. You can check out my most recent Let's Play on the top left of the screen or my most recent React on the bottom left. This has been your lovely divine queen Ciel, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye!